afternoon, everybody. How's everyone doing today? We are on the way to make a over 3-hour drive to go pick up some stuff that we won in the auction. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there, so stay tuned for that. And as always, if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscribe button, check out all our videos, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. I'm not gonna record the whole road trip. Y'all don't want to see just us driving, so I'm gonna just show a little bit, and then when we get there, I'm gonna show you guys what we won. So pretty cool and pretty exciting. So I will see you guys in a couple hours. All over the place with this. Got people out here on their bikes. Him on the glide right there. That really look nice. So we're still driving. He got his music playing on his. Over here at the Home Depot, they grab some straps, some strappy straps.
But that's not even.
It's like Kia Soul. That Jeep over there is like. So we'll catch y'all in a few minutes. I think we're probably like 10, 15 minutes from the place. Alright, y'all, so we are like 15 minutes away. We're out here in this country backwoods. Like, you don't want to be out here at night. This is where stuff happens at. Let's see. I think
you have arrived.
Hang on, y'all. Yeah, we here, y'all. Oh my god. It's 3:30. He says 3:30. So we've at the place, y'all. Look at this hill, this house, this shit crazy right here. I don't know where the hell I can pull it. I guess I'm gonna have to back over. Hey, let me have to back up. Hold on, y'all. Look. Alright. Alright. Y'all, this is some of the stuff right here.
We're gonna try to put it back here.
Yeah, this is the house, y'all. This is where we got everything at. Over here?
In there.
Oh, right here on this side? Shit, I gotta pee so bad. It's a hot minute to get down this damn mountain. You probably only need just what, one? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Y'all go. This is the surprise right here, y'all. This thing is pretty bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. How y'all doing?
What's happening?
Huh?
That's what I'm hoping it'll.
It should. Looks like it should. Oh, that's right. You ain't got the thing for the. You angle it. You think?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. It's 4 feet, so I'm gonna have to put it on there.
Alright, that's the bike right there. This joint. They in shoes up now. Yeah, this the house. This is a pretty big house out here in that country, huh? Got this tent. Damn, this is all we got? Thought we got more than this. Yeah.
Part-time and work on it.
Oh, did we got that too?
I retired like a year ago, so we're selling all of our stuff. We're getting in that little camper right there with that F-150, and we're like never coming back.
Whoa.
So we're selling the house and everything.
That's
I
good.
mean, everything, and we're just gonna like be on the road. She can telework, and like I said, I'm retired anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna like cruise around. We got our next 4 months planned out. We're going to just below Savannah, Georgia, on the coast, staying for a month in November. December is we're going to be down in Lake Orange, Florida. January, we're staying in Corpus Christi, Texas, and Big Bend National Park out in Texas.
All right, y'all. So we got this thing up on the van. It was a pain. We had to take the front shield off. Yeah, we got it on, y'all.
Play the sale. I'm like, this stuff won't sell.
Yeah.
Show up, man. See, that's what happens when you listen to wifey, man.
They're right here. You see, we had to take the front shield off of this thing. It was a pain, so we got the motorcycle jack right here, the back seat that goes up there, so right down the back. So everything is good. About to strap this baby down.
Shit, might not be long enough.
Where you connect two in? Connect two in.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do one.
Alright, y'all, we are out of there. Like, my goodness gracious. It was crazy trying to get that bike up in there. I gotta close my trunk. The trunk is not all the way closed. Yeah, them people talking about they selling everything and they moving. They gonna live in that little camper that they had up there. Y'all look at, oh, you know I can do with YouTube. Y'all, we are coming, went up the mountain to come back down the mountain. Like, Lord. Like, insane. So y'all saw that we got the motorcycle. That was a surprise. I didn't get to film too good over there like I wanted to, because some people were just talking and talking. But that's the motorcycle that we won. Leave a comment below what you think we won it for. But this seems kind of like people's real farms. Now you got a Valero. An awesome guys that did. Oh, shit, you over here making a mess. Look, he over here making a mess. Look at that. Look at my kids over here making a mess. Did y'all order? The new specialty drinks they got. Oh my goodness. That smoothie bar. Y'all, I ain't been here in years. But y'all, when y'all own, they got peanut butter pretzel milkshake. They ain't different. Peanut butter lover. I'm getting this. A peanut butter drink. Oh, I'm gonna be a fat girl and I'm gonna go with a large. No, thank you. Oh, damn, that junk. No, we're gonna go back and get the regular stuff. I'm getting one of these. Maybe I'll get. They got. I'm gonna be farting the kids up. Get one of these. This got pretzels in it. It's got. I don't need a peanut. Oh, look at that, y'all. The pucker drinks. How much is a it's the same thing, so we're just gonna get a large. Trying to be cheap and whatnot. Okay. Yes, they got freezies. Yes, we got the. Oh, okay. Oh, give these up to Dad. Get them to Dad. Yeah, look. They ain't got these at Royal Farms. Cherry, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, blue raspberry. I think they had the blue, but they got flavors here. Royal Farms don't got. Too bad we ain't got a sheets out on our where we live. I know you always want some candy. Did he? No. These Reese muffins look good. Sheets right here, big red building. And the funny thing is, we actually used to live out here like 4 years ago, literally like right up the street. That way. We used to live out there. But yeah, we just stopped. We had to get some. He put bacon on them. Good as shit. So we got the motorcycle back here, babe. That's what I think the bike is leaking gas. Ooh. I don't see it either. I guess because it's just sloshing around or something.
I reckon.
Maybe, I don't know. What you think about it, babe? Other than my wig looking a shaggy mess. Ain't got nothing to do with it, but
Can't wait to see what they do in the auction.
it might be. I don't know. Did it look wet right there? It might be leaking. Or is that just how the board look? Yeah, that's the bike. What y'all think about it?
That's not bad.
No. I'm happy about the canopy. He does his tags weird. He just writes numbers on them. Hope this canopy ain't sun faded like the bag. That's heavy though. What the heck is this? Oh, that's from the straps. Y'all see we got a strap down. We had to put a sweater on top of it so that the metal cranks from the straps don't mess the bike up. But I mean, what do y'all think about this thing? It looks pretty damn good. Wish they had some of those things for the crash bars put on there, because we kind of got it on that side over there, but other than that, I think it's fine.
You get the window, right?
I'll crack that one. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh, the shield.
Right,
The
yeah.
shield. Yeah, it's in the trunk. And just make sure you don't lose those screws. But yeah, like I said, y'all, we took the shield off the bike, but when we were putting it in, y'all, it was too tall for there. It was sitting there, and it was actually making the mirror look, it was like gonna hit. But when we took it off, the mirror was like right here. So we got it in here, and it's got some scratches right here on the back fender, but nothing serious. Strong ass gas. Put the filter on. They're in here. Just hang on. I'm jealous. I ain't getting no chips. Yeah, this is 96 right here. So leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about it. Woo! Yo, so this is the chili dogs I was making a fuss about from Sheetz. Like, they chili dogs, I'm about to taste them for the first time in years. I mean, taste them again for the first time in years. It's been a long time. It's been like 4 years since I had a chili dog from Sheetz.
It's been 4 years since we had a chili dog?
From Sheetz. It's been 4 years since we have chili dog. I'm here. You silly.
It seems like it's been longer.
No, because remember we moved from here when Doc was a baby. It was... If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to catch y'all on the next video.